This week we are talking about homographs for our word study. Homographs are words that are spelled the same but have different meanings and are sometimes pronounced differently. So what you are going to do is you will drag this red circle over the answer that is correct based on what the question is asking you. So let's try one together. Which of these sentences uses change in a way that means to become different? So we have to use our context clues to figure out if the word change is used as in to become different. A. I wanted to buy some soda, so I searched Mom's purse for some spare change. Here, if we were to use our context clues, the word change means money or coins. B. As soon as I get home, I plan to change out of this suit. So that means that they're going to put on some different clothes. So our answer here would be B. So I will drag this circle over the letter.